What's up, everybody? We got this updated video right here I did on Twitch. It's going over the latest updates on CYBE, the Cyber Connect, and also some ideas for 4K, along with different ideas I have with weekly videos. If you don't see a weekly video, it probably means I'm working more on the website, more on the apps, or more stuff coming with that. But definitely stay tuned and watch the video right here.
All right, guys, doing tonight. Oh man, I want to see this. I appreciate you guys coming through, man, for sure. Oh man, we got a lot of things planned, a lot of things coming into the future, and more importantly, the 4K, right? But first, let me shout you guys out, man. I appreciate you guys coming through. As always, we got Nightbot. We got Nightbot up in here. We got Arena. We got Elia. We got Alicia, and we got another TTT V viewer. We got ASMR. We got Blurt. We got Buck. What's up, Buck? We got Doink. I'm gonna call you Doink or Donk, whatever. We got Shet. What's up, Shet? And we got one of our subscribers, the Sinister, and we got Joseph. We got Pola. If I'm squinting, I've been looking at screens all fucking day. I'm gonna talk about that in a little bit. We got Polo Olo. All right, and then we got Star. We got Princess. Thank you for coming through, guys. Thank you so much. Shout out to all you. So an update on, well, more importantly, feedback from you guys. I want feedback from you guys, and I want constructive criticism at every single point when I'm starting up the stream, when I'm going live, playing the game, any game, to the videos, to the Instagram, to the social media. Basically, any type of feedback is well appreciated, guys. So definitely let me know if I'm doing something wrong, it turns you off, makes you not want to come back, all that stuff, man. But right now, I see you guys are coming back, you know, retaining viewers and all that stuff, so it's a good idea. But in general, feedback is really important. If I can get feedback from you guys, and any constructive criticism in general, let me know. But I also want to mention too the Discord. Let me get the Discord. I almost forgot that. Let me get the Discord out here. I want to mention something too about the Discord, that some people have been leaving. I don't know why you guys are leaving the Discord. I don't know what the fuck's going on, but you guys are not appreciating the Discord. The Discord is there for you guys to communicate, to get back feedback, to do tournaments, to do any type of thing you want to do, fan art, you want to shout out your own stuff, you got your own Twitch, your own YouTube. I just posted it there in the chat, so go ahead and use that link to join the Discord. And yeah, it's there for you guys to communicate, you know, do games. I had one event planned too, to do an anime watch party. And the anime watch party is to like watch any type of anime that you guys choose from that list. So I was doing that before, but I got caught up with CYBE making the website. But the Discord is there for you guys to primarily communicate, do any type of game, anything you want to stream together. You want to do a showcase and do fan art, you want to just talk to me, hit me up. You got questions on the video, I do tutorials, do gameplay, play basketball in real life. A whole bunch of stuff we've been doing for a long time, for 9 years. So, and we're going on to 10 years in April, but it's around the corner, like how the next year's around the corner on that shit. So, but yeah, the Discord's there for you guys. And the next thing is CYBE. CYBE is coming into play. CYBE is looking sexy, honestly. I've been working on the structure of it and the routing of all the well, we call them files and shit in programming, but all the pages and all the screens and all that, it's coming into play. I would say a rough estimate, it's 10 to 20% done. Now it's an estimate, that's not, you know, picture perfect, but it's right there. But getting the structure down, getting everything together with the pages and the screens, and it's a lot more work to be done on the website, but it's coming into play. And on that website is like subscriptions, like how you could do here on Twitch, and there's merchandise on there, and then products and services. The products and services are basically about web scraping or programming in general, or how to optimize your own apps and your own website. So a lot of optimization, and it goes into finance. So training bots, it goes into algorithms, it goes into a whole bunch of stuff that you can also make money with too. So with commodities and cryptocurrency and stocks as well. So a lot of ideas coming through from CYBE. So definitely stay tuned and stay subscribed and all that. What's the last update? The last update is the 4K. So that's the Cyber Connect side, where we do software, eventually hardware, but a lot of software is like the training bots, a lot of the programming algorithms, and the ability to optimize your sites and web apps of any kind, right? So, and to build any kind of application you want like a sales funnel that takes in a form, we got you. You know what I mean? And you'll see everything on the products and services page. And then there's a separate side where it's the about page about CYBE. And then to break down other stuff on CYBE, we go into the gaming side too. So the Discord here available is the gaming, it's a CYBE Gamers Guild. There will be another Discord available for CYBE and the programming side. So, and then the hardware, like computer science in general, broad computer science. So that'll be made when CYBE launches, the website launches, right? But then we got the Gamers Guild basically, and the Gamers Guild is there for you right there to communicate, hit me up on anything, on videos, tutorials I did. The tutorials I did 6-7 years ago that are still up. The tutorials I did 3-4 years ago. So it's been a long journey. Communicate, do any type of gaming tournament, any type of meetup of anything. So all that stuff is there for you guys. So, and then when I play on 2K as well, that is a part of the reason why I have that Discord, so we can hear people going through the Discord. And yeah, that's really it. Yeah, so definitely keep up with everything, and primarily feedback. If I'm doing something wrong, let me know. If you guys are turned off, let me know. If you guys want to play, you know, communication goes a long way. You guys are some of the other half, or the 30 or 40% of the channel, which is the supporter base, the fan base, whatever, how you want to say it. So, but yeah, I think that's about it for the updates. And let's just jump in it. I'm going to stream for an hour, not too long, an hour and a half at most. And we're going to be playing God of War, like I said in the beginning, and we're just going to kick it and do our thing, man. So, and we can talk about anything. It don't matter, you know. We like shit, from politics to cooking a cupcake. We can talk about anything. It don't matter. So just let me know what's on your mind. You know, let me know privately or in the chat. You know, it's a whole community we are building together, and a family we're building together. Online family we're building together. So definitely come in and take a seat, and don't take too many plates. Thanksgiving is coming, and you suckers don't want to take too many plates. So I'm gonna get Kratos on your ass. Ain't gonna beat your ass. Don't take too many plates. But a seat is always open to you for CYBE. A opportunity, a spot is always open for you in CYBE. The CYBE Gamers Guild, or if you're even a programmer or a coder, CYBE is available to you as well. So I just want to mention that as well. So a lot of things going through my mind, man. You know, I was all day coding the website, and really, like, I'm running the whole shit. You know what I mean? I want to give pieces of the shit to other people. You know what I mean? Because when I give other pieces of the ship to other people, shit, we can go into different ideas on gaming. You know, we can do tournaments where we face other streamers and other social media influencers, other YouTubers, whatever. You know, we're going to different ideas to a point where now we got all these tournaments, we beat all these people. Now we're going to esports tournaments. We're at VidCon, TwitchCon, whatever. You know, it's the motion and the ideas. You don't want to kill that. You don't want to stop that at any point. Because when you stop and kill that, all your flow is gone. Everything you've been doing is gone. So we want that flow to continue on, and then you know, just having a good time at the end of the day. So that's like the main thing. But I appreciate you guys coming through. The guys chatting. You people chat, whatever. You know, motherfuckers identifying as tables out here nowadays. So you peeps, The Shepherd, Starry, thank you for commenting. Princess, all that stuff. What's up? What's up? You were from the Sinister's channel, so I appreciate you coming through, giving me a chance and checking me out. And yeah, we're a big open family, you know, very secluded, but you know, over time we're gonna grow and be able to sustain different ideas and stuff. If you guys have an idea, head it. Right, so let's get right in it.